Hi guys, hello and welcome. My name is Steve Pugh, and on this channel I mostly talk about business and entrepreneurship type stuff, but I also love to review cameras, lighting and loads of stuff that I buy with my own money. This is all stuff that I've bought myself, so none of it's been gifted or whichever. I recently bought this, so it's a variable ND filter for my Canon 50mm f1.2, so it's a 77mm filter. I do a lot of live streams and videos and stuff for YouTube, so that's my main kind of focus. It's not really cinematography kind of stuff. And one of the issues that I had is with all the lights in this room, I shoot at ISO 100, f1.2 because I want the blurred background, and I was shooting at 1/500th of a second to get the exposure right, just because it's really bright in here. But one of the things that you get is that apparently gives you really choppy video, and it just doesn't look great. Because I stream, basically I stream at 30 frames a second. I'm not a gamer, so I don't need to do 60. And actually, I know 24 is what people say is better, but it is what it is. So what I wanted to do was get a variable ND filter, which will allow me to drop the shutter speed to 1/60th of a second, which should give me smoother motion and that kind of thing. So I bought this. This was £28 on Amazon. It's the K&F B series filter variable ND. 77mm, and the truth is it works great. It just clips straight onto the lens where you would normally put in different types of filters and stuff, and actually it works great. The way that it works, essentially you rotate the filter, and I guess it's like a polarizing lens where it dictates how much light gets through, and it goes from light to dark to light to dark, and you can just play with whatever works for you to get the exposure that you kind of want. A major drawback I've kind of found, there was one, it kind of plays with the white balance a little bit, the colors, but I can change that in camera to kind of counteract it. But the other one is that your lens hood won't fit anymore. So one of the things that I actually had to do using the Amazon box that it came in was create a little lens hood myself with some gaffer tape and stick it around the outside that slides on, just to kind of shield the lens and act as a makeshift lens hood. For 28 quid, would I recommend it? Yes, I would. It has done what I wanted it to do, although being honest, I'm not sure I can really see a difference between shooting at 1/500th of a second and 1/60th of a second in terms of streaming. But it's the endless pursuit of kind of perfection. Would I recommend it? Yes, I would. It's worth kind of checking out, and I'd also love to know what kind of projects do you shoot on, what would you use one of these for, that kind of thing as well. So my name's Steve. If you see this, please kind of like and subscribe, and yeah, if you've got anything else or anything you want me to review, please let me know. All right, cheers guys, thank you, bye bye.